In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WordPress columns block. If you've ever wanted to enhance the layout of your posts or pages, understanding how to effectively use columns can be a game changer for you. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, head over to wordpress.com. This is your main hub, where all the magic happens. Once there, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your account. So go ahead and click on the Login button. If you haven't logged in already, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Now that you are in the WordPress dashboard, the real fun begins. For this tutorial, you'll want to focus on either posts or pages depending on where you wish to use columns. Click on either posts or pages based on what suits your needs for this specific project. The choice really depends on where you want your columns to appear: a new page or a post that you're currently drafting. Once you've entered your desired section, locate the plus sign, often simply referred to as the Add Block button. This is usually found at the top left corner of your editor, and it opens up a treasure trove of block options for you to choose from. Click this button to proceed. In the search bar that appears, type in the word columns. You're going to love how easy this next part is. As soon as you type the word, you'll see the columns block appear. This tool is specifically designed to let you add a column layout to your pages or posts seamlessly, giving you more control over the structure of your content. Click on Columns to select it. The columns block allows you to choose from several different layouts based on how many columns you'd like to use. Typically, you might see 2-column, 3-column, and even more complex structures depending on your needs. Select the layout that matches what you're aiming for in your design. Using columns effectively allows you to organize text, images, and other media in a way that makes a more engaging and visually appealing experience for your audience. Don't forget to preview your changes to see how they look before publishing. It's remarkable how much elegance and clarity a simple column structure can add to your content. Experiment with different styles until you find one that enhances your message and aligns with your aesthetic goals. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you now feel more confident in using the WordPress columns block to spice up your posts and pages. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy blogging!